What role do infeeds play in loop sorter? Infeeds are the point where parcels are introduced into the sorter. In loop sorters, such as the Van der Lande Crossorter, they are essential for maintaining a continuous and balanced flow of items. The configuration of infeeds directly affect the system's overall performance. If they are not optimized, they can become a bottleneck and reduce the throughput of the overall system. Why is optimizing infeeds important? Optimizing infeeds means making the solution compact, efficient, and flexible. In traditional setups, infeeds can take up a lot of space, especially when multiple entry points are needed to meet the high parcel volumes. Van der Lande addresses this by shortening infeed conveyors and increasing the deck utilization. This allows the system to handle the same volume with fewer devices and less floor space used. It also enables more flexible layouts, which is especially valuable in buildings with space constraints or unusual shapes. How does this benefit operations? Shorter infeeds and higher sorter fill rate leads to a smaller system footprint, which brings several operational advantages. First, it reduces installation and real estate costs, which are important factors for both new builds and retrofits. Second, it simplifies system integration, making it easier to fit the sorter into existing facilities without major structural changes. Thirdly, it improves scalability. As the parcel volumes grow, operators can add capacity without needing to redesign the entire system. Additional benefit of more compact sorting solution is that it leaves space for ground handling operations, which are highly priced. In short, optimized infeeds help logistics centers to do more with less.
Van der Lande, moving your business forward.